because I'm going to mention him again. But this is a young brother that's really doing his thing. He's really innovative. He's really making stuff happen. And I want to give mad love to Stevie Boy. Because Stevie Boy is doing some real crazy stuff with his glasses. You've seen him on all the celebrities and some of the models that you guys have seen today and see tonight. He was the man who was behind the shades. So I want y'all to give a round of applause for him because he's right here. Stevie, where you at? Stand up, man. That's Stevie right here, baby. Man, love, man. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. There's a lot of people I want to give thanks to, and I'll do that at the end. But I don't want to hold you guys because I want y'all to see what Wet is about. And real quick, Wet came along because there was a lot of urban out here. A lot of urban just saturated the world. But I don't know what y'all ages are out here, but I'm going to keep it funky. I'm 42. You dig me? I'm 42 years old and I feel like I'm 29. So what I'm saying is, I wanted to create something that was for the grown and sexy, but we could still be stylish. We could go to the workplace, go to cocktails, and do whatever we needed to do. I'm not knocking the hip-hops. I'm not knocking none of that because I came from that. But now it's time for the grown and sexy. WET stands for with exceptional taste. So if you have that exceptional taste, then you're going to love what you see down here. I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you. I love you. DC is my home, and I represent it to the end, to the fullest. And I'm going to show you what I'm about. Enjoy the show.